Imagine a classroom with 5 empty seats. These seats have been empty for days, going into weeks. The teacher has no idea why her students have been out for so long, but if they continue to miss school, they're going to be in danger of not graduating. These students aren't just names on a roll, so the questions have to be asked. Where are they? Why are they absent? And what are they facing? The problem is that 6.2 million United States students are considered chronically absent. This means that 6.2 million US citizens are not receiving access to a full education. It is vitally important for students to feel cared for by their educators, and the longer they are absent without anyone checking in on their well-being, the more likely they are to feel alienated and isolated by their schools. As teachers are the most emotionally involved and invested in their students' lives, they are to be the first line of defense. They need to be reaching out and trying to see what's going on. However, to further bolster this, districts should have paid student advocates who go and seek these students out and find the very particulars of their situation. When a student's situation exceeds the district's capacity to directly help, they can point students and their families to nonprofit organizations that are going to help with billings, housing, food, and transportation needs. Once a student is being seen, heard, and helped, they're no longer falling through the cracks of the education system. Not only will they be seen as a real and whole person, but their presence is really going to be valued. No longer will they just be a name on a roll or a body in a seat. Now, imagine those 5 empty seats filled with students who know someone cared enough about them to understand their situation and help. In a greater way, imagine those 6.2 million seats filled with students who know they matter and are on a path to success because they were seen, heard, and helped.